you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited. Smartass and Sass is here for July. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So July 2022's box just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much, Smartass and Sass, for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, this is my favorite monthly subscription box. Hands down, I hit myself in the face, hands down. I tell you guys that all the time. Oh, and this is my Smartass and Sass box, so in this video, I might be saying or showing more foul language than I normally do. There's a disclaimer. A monthly subscription for mouthy mofos. Yes, please give us some out. So when we first open it up, ooh, we have a pink shirt. You know what? I'm excited. It's not as the other pink shirt that I ruined. I went to their site to buy another one and my size is sold out currently. So I'm waiting for them to restock it. I have a pink shirt. It's like a little darker of a pink shirt, and it says something about sarcasm, I believe. When I was painting the chicken coop, I got paint on my shirt. So I need to get another one. Hopefully they restock it. But at least here is a different pink. But here is a sneak peek to what's underneath the pink shirt. If you do not know, they do 3 different subscriptions. They'll do a shirt only. They'll do everything but no shirt. No shirt at all, everything else in the box. And then they do the big box like they send me, which is the shirt and all of the goods. They are soft blended unisex tees, and they go from sizes extra small to 3XL. Yes, extra small to 3XL. So I like to start with the shirt first. Like I said, if you get the shirt only or the big box, this is what you would receive. And it says, hot and bothered. This is my new go-to summer shirt, hot and bothered. I can't stand being hot. When I'm hot, I am definitely hot and bothered to like the max degree. I can't stand being hot. Can't stand, I'm hot and irritable, and I'm just a big bitch. There's no other way to say it. I am bitchier than all hell when I'm hot. Hot and bothered. I love this shirt. I love this shirt. Wait, do I not have a brochure? Do I not have a pamphlet? I don't have a pamphlet this month. What? Mine hopped out and was like, peace, bitch, you don't get me this month. So I don't have pricing this time, unfortunately. I guess my card didn't make it into the box this month, which is totally fine. It's just now I don't have pricing and stuff like that to tell you the rest of the products. But the shirt is valued at $19.95 if you get it in the subscription, but you can purchase their shirts and individual items from their website directly without going to a subscription. And if you do that, you can use code 20OFF-SASS for 20% off their shop. But again, you can find the shirts and all of that stuff on their site. So moving forward, it looks like we have a hat in here, and it says spicy since birth. Salty by choice. And it's by Smartass and Sass. Spicy since birth, salty by choice. Hell yes. I think this is like a hat with a hole in the top, like not a hole, but let me see. How does this work? I like the blue. Ah, there we go. Oh, my big old head. Hold on. So, my hair's sticking out. These actually I do wear in my yard because when I'm outside, I pull my hair back like in a bun or a ponytail. So the ones that have the hole are a lot better for me because then I can just plop it over my, my hole. I can plop it over my hole. And plop it over my hole. But I do like that it is like that, and you can just like it just folded right up. So this is something that would even be cool to like leave like in your glove box or in your car. And if you're ever out and you just need to put a hat on, they got you covered with this because it just rolls right back up like this. And it stays like that. That is really neat. I'm not a hat wearer, but definitely when I'm outside working anywhere outside of my backyard, I like to have some type of hat on to protect my face from the sun and to kind of help with sweat. So the saying though is the best. Spicy since birth, salty by choice. We need that on a shirt. Can we get that on a shirt? Maybe on black? That would be amazing. I like that saying. Oh, yes, yes, yes. We got some of these, and I'm normally not excited about hair ties. You can mark that shit down on your calendar. That is probably the only time you will see me being excited over a damn hair tie. But I am super excited because we got some of these, and I think we only got 2 colors because the ones that I have and I use all the time and I wash them because, like I said, when I'm outside sweating, they'll get wet sometimes. So they wash well, they work well, and I really like the fact that it has the 2 little things because I'll position at the top so they'll like, you know, stick up and it gives it a little curb appeal. But now there's red, orange, and that beautiful teal. I have more of like a bluish color. I don't think it's this kind of color, and then I have a pink one, and I got them from Smartass Sass, but again, I really love those, and anytime I'm pulling my hair up, those are the 2 that I'm grabbing all the time. So I'm so glad now to get some more colors. Let me show you without the plastic on it. And again, I don't have pricing or anything because my card flipped the finger at me and said, you don't get me. You don't get me today. But that is what those look like. Hurry up. What? Hurry up. Sunny's on, world off. Put your sunglasses on, and yeah, those are very pretty, and those colors with like the birds of paradise right there, or is that a bird of paradise? No, but it's just tropical flowers and stuff. These colors look really nice with that. So you have a set of 3 hair ties, and again, I'm super excited about those hair ties. It says, fuck it, quitting everything to be a mermaid. What are you? Are you like a little drink? I think it is. I think this is, you blow it up. I don't have a pool, or my fat ass don't get in water like that. So I will pass this down to my friend who does have a pool, and her dogs even like to go in and like sit in little floaties with her. So now I'll give her this and she can put her drink in there. But a water bottle or anything like that, you can probably just stick right in there, blow this up, and you have a little mermaid tail and everything. Fuck it. Quitting everything to be a mermaid. But that's what that looks like to me. Like it would be a floaty, a floating drink holder for when you are in a pool or water. So there's that guy, which that's very appropriate for a summer box. This says you can't handle the sparkle. 24 karat gold glow lotion. Smartass Sass smarkle. No, you're gonna sparkle, not smarkle. The hell is a smarkle? So it's this big bottle, and it looks like it's from AMINNAH, and it's made in the United States. But then you have, is it a lotion? Yeah. So you have a lotion that'll give you a tint of glow. That's really good for summer too. I don't wear shorts or anything out, but I bet that would look nice if you did put this like on your legs, give you kind of like a shimmering color. It probably will add to you. So that is really neat. Again, especially in a summer box, that is really neat. So let's keep on going. We have something down in here. What are you? Okay, we have a big bag. Let me take the plastic off. Okay, so it does have a tag in here that says Smartass Sass. Material is 100% PVC except the trimming. So the sides, like this is like netting, and this is like this type of material. There's also a zipper. And let's see. It opens all the way in the middle. You have a zipper right here to zip it closed. You also have a zipper here. So then you have this all big opening. What does it say? It says something on it. Hold on. Let me put it on top of the white. Let me see. I'm a crazy little son of a beach. Yes, that is what it says right there in the front. And it has like a little beach umbrella. There's a palm tree. So So very beachy, watery, summery for sure. And you can just drop all your stuff down in there and have a beach bag, lake bag. I like that it is like the plastic material. So if you are putting anything white, like your bathing suit, your kids' swimsuits, towels, even their sandals with sand and stuff all over them, you can just toss everything down inside of this bag and it's all protected. It's not going to get messed up. So here is a nice little beach bag, is what I'm going to call it. Now we have a few more items still left in here. This says Smartass Sass. Let's get toasted. Ooh, is this like a s'mores set? Let me remove the plastic. So the back has Smartass Sass. And there's the front. Let's get toasted. I like this blue, and I like how it does have the orange print. So if you did want to toss it like in your little orange bag, it would match. And then the blue with this, and then you have like the orange in here too. Like everything's matching. I see you. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. They're little skewers. Like, so, and they're adjustable. You got adjustable little skewers. So you can definitely use these for marshmallows or whatever. You put some hot dogs on there and warm them up if you want. You can do whatever you would like, but you have these little ends to put like marshmallows or whichever. And you can you can feed the next person, touch it down in the flame. I do like that it is a nice long handle this way, so you are not having to be too close to, you know, the fire when you're trying to get whatever toasted or warmed up. But that is a set of 4, and that's really neat. And we do have a fire pit outside, and we do like to, you know, roast things every now and then, especially when the kids come over. And I think we only have a set of 2. And now I can add this to it, so then we'll have 6. So then everybody can have their own. I like that. So I know definitely we will get some really good usage out of this all year long because we use our fire pit all the time. Now there's one item left in here, you guys, and that is also by Smartass Sass. Yes, it is Smartass Sass. And one thing that I do want to point out, whenever they have like cute little things like this, they're always in like a nice little gift ready box. So if it's something not quite for you, you can always wrap it and give it to somebody as a gift, and it's already ready. So let's get this one open and see. It says, hey, beautiful, drink some water. Ooh, and I see it's my favorite color. Oh my gosh. This color, what color does it for you guys? Like, just, if you comment down below, let me know what color does it for you, because this color does it for me. I can be walking through a store and see something teal, and I don't even know if I want to buy it. I don't know what it is, but I have to go and look at it because the color just draws me in. What's your color? This is my color for sure. So I'm already drawn in. It says, do it, drink me. So it's a glass bottle. It has a silicone little slip that goes over it that says, do it, drink me. You have a lid. Ooh, and that's a good seal. I have another cup similar. That's a glass cup with this kind of like a bamboo type lid. And it is not that good of a seal at all. That's a good seal. Right when it hits the teal right there, the seal, that's a good seal. And then you stick you stick your straw. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is really pretty. I love that. So, hey, beautiful, drink some water. And again, if you already have too many watering cups, if you already have too many cups and you just were like, I don't know if I would use this, you can just wrap it up and gift it to somebody else. And that is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I love that. So that is everything that came in the July box, you guys. I won't have a retail value this time, but they always have such a great value. It's well over $100 every time. They always knock this out of the park. This is my favorite subscription box monthly. You guys know that. So you have this do it, drink me glass water bottle, or you can use it for anything. Tea, lemonade, iced coffee, whatever your little heart desires. You have a 4-piece set here of like roasting, toasting skewers, I guess. I don't know what to call it because I don't have the paper. You have a hat, which is really nice in how it folds up and can just be stored when you need it. You have the 3-piece hair ties, which I'm so excited about. You have a mermaid drink holder, floatable drink holder. You have a glowing lotion, this bag right here, and then if you get the big box, you have the shirt too. All right, you guys, so that is everything again that came in the July box. What do you think of the theme? What do you think of the products that they put in? You guys already know. They knock it out of the park every month for me, so I don't have to say anything else. If you want a little bit more information about Smartass and Sass, I will let you know right about now. So again, if you wanted to shop their shop and any of their individual items without going to a subscription, you can use 20 off Sass for 20% off of their shop. But if you wanted the subscription information, the shirt only, so just the shirt is $19.95. If you do 3 months, it's $18.95. 6 months will bring it down to $17.95. And again, they are unisex soft blended tees, extra small to 3XL. This is one of their shirts too. Like pretty much this is all I live in, and they do not repeat them. They don't repeat them. You will always get a brand new shirt every single month that is not repeated. The box for everything with no shirt, all of the goods that are in there, just no shirt whatsoever, just everything else, that one is $39.95. You'll get 5 to 7 full-size hilarious products. If you want to save money, $38.95 will be for 3 months, $37.95 a box at 6 months. If you want to do the big box like they send to me, the big box is $54.95 per box. You'll get everything in it, the items, the 5 to 7 items, and the shirt. And if you want to save money, 3 months will bring it down to $52.95 and 6 months will bring it down to $50.95. Shipping is an additional fee for any of the boxes, and that is everything, you guys. Again, they knock it out of the park every single month. This is my favorite monthly box, hands down. I love to see the new items that they come up with and everything that's by them. Smartass and Sass, again, you can purchase from their shop, so definitely check them out if you would like. And that is everything for this particular video. Comment down below. Again, your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.